Welcome to the review of Honda Activa 6G BS6 engine with HET. HET stands for Honda Eco Technology, which is a technology from Honda company which saves fuel. As you can see, this is the new Honda Activa 6G with LED DRLs. There are two variants in this, standard and deluxe variant. Deluxe variant is costlier than the standard variant by around 2000 rupees. The only difference between the two variants is instead of getting a halogen lamp, you would be getting an LED headlamp in the deluxe variant as against halogen headlamp in standard variant for a just higher price of around 2000 rupees. As you can see, the body is streamlined and ergonomically designed. If you want me to tell at least one feature which this Honda Activa 6G misses out when compared to a Honda Activa 5G model, is that a digital speedometer. As you can see here, there is an analog odometer as against a digital version available in one of the models of Honda Activa 5G. Also, one other important update is the fuel tank lid is shifted from under the hood or under the seat to the back side. So now you need not really open the seat to fill up the fuel tank, because you can fill the fuel from this place which is external to the seat cover. So now you can fill the fuel even by sitting on this scooter. As you can see, this is the dark blue color variant and there are many other colors as well. This side rod and the external additional side footrest are accessories and you have to fit them with additional cost. As you can see here, first you have to insert the key here and then turn this out. Then only you can place the main key here. It is an additional safety feature. So you are left with no place to insert this key. So firstly you have to insert this. Firstly, there is no place to insert this key. You have to insert this here. That is the step 1. So insert this like this in this position. Next you can rotate. As you rotate, you can observe this bar moving ahead. So now this is closed. You have to insert like this and rotate it. So now this is open. So you can insert your key here now. So this is the way to insert your key. Likewise, whenever you remove the key, you have to push this back so that it will not move in the opposite direction, and this is the additional security for your scooter. So you can view the other side of the scooter. One more interesting update in Honda Activa 6G when compared to all of its previous generations starting from 1G to 5G is the silent starter technology. So whenever you press this button to start, you will not get any sound, kiki sound, because a patented technology called as silent start technology has been developed by the Honda company and that has been fitted into this scooter. So also you have idle stop function, so whenever you are at the traffic signals, you can press this button here so that the fuel will be shut. So this is the idle engine stop technology, and once the red signal is kept in the traffic signals, you can immediately switch this switch to here so that the engine will very quickly resume to running condition. I think it's very decent, and the on-road price is around 84,000 for the standard variant and 86,000 for the deluxe variant in metro cities. And as you can see, the length of the overall scooter has been increased by around 5 centimeter when compared to its previous generations. Without RTO and insurance, if you want to know the exclusive price, it's around 70,000. But when RTO, road tax, hypothecation, if you take loan and insurance, third party insurance, all other accidental coverage insurance, all those included, will cost you around 10,000 more. So that is around 80,000 plus is the minimum price you should be ready to pay to get this scooter. Do subscribe to our channel if you like the review of Honda Activa 6G with BS6 technology, which emits very less pollutants.